What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Von Bloss here, back at it again. We got to get another video. As you can see by the title of the video, yes, we are finally getting this done. Well, not I'm gonna say finally, but we're finally making it a little louder, you know, adding a little more bark and bite to the exhaust sound, you know. Even though it's got a good note and sound to it right now, because you know it is a coyote. You know the coyotes sound glorious and magical. Come on. Oh, come on, man. That's just slightly stepping into the gas, man. Just slightly stepping into the gas. All right, I'm getting excited. But anyway, y'all. So right now, we're headed to MRT, as you can tell by the title of the video, whatever. But we about to head on up here and get this thing done. No, get some sound clips, get some before and afters. You know how we got to do it, man, for the YouTube. You know what I'm saying, man. We got to get in our groove, man. You know what I'm saying? Is that the red steering wheel? Oh my gosh, man. Is that really red? Come on, man. Y'all can't just be gassing it up like that, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. Y'all see it, man. But I'm really curious. Like I said, this is my first V8, you guys, and I'm not sure how the exhaust sounds work, and like the pitch and stuff. But they know way more about it than I do, so they'll be able to explain it. Let me roll the windows up. I'm sorry, the wind noise y'all hear, but they'll be able to explain it a lot more. And half of y'all watching this, you already know how it's going to sound, because if you watching this, you already got a coyote and you just wondering how it sound, or just looking interested in like different parts or whatever. However, but if you do like the way this going to sound, make sure y'all click the link in the bio of this video and just go ahead and get it, man. Look at the tourist. A tourist show trying to go. It's a girl too. Like, but anyway, y'all. So yeah, I'm not too sure with this. Sure about this. Oh, bro, looking at me. Gotta give it a low gas. We warmed up too, so we can go ahead and give it a little blip. Go crazy on them for a bit, you know what I'm saying? Woo. Go crazy on them for a bit, you know what I'm saying? Go a little brazy for a minute. Wake up the car a little bit. And the guy in the Gladiator, he wanted me to hit it. He wanted to hear a little bit of it. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get the people what they want, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we about to head up here, and like I said, before I got rudely interrupted by these people trying to hit a car and everything, man. I know it's a 5-0. You see the coyote on the side. But anyway, y'all, let me ease up, because usually be the boys up here. So let me ease on up. But guys, so like I was saying before, it's my first VA, so I'm not really sure how they sound and stuff with certain pipes like H pipe. I'm not sure the difference. But when I was looking them up back in the day, H pipe was always what I wanted. But with the car being in the garage and stuff, it's gonna be way too loud for it to be just in there idling and stuff, or just leaving out the garage in the morning. You know, we got kids and stuff, so we can't be just having it super loud. Gotta have it at least somewhat tame or whatever. So I'm pretty sure the H pipe gonna give me that crisp sound that I want. Well, that's what everybody's saying on forums and groups and everything. So we just gonna hit it before and after clips, but I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get there, because I have no idea where I'm going. All right, you guys, see you guys in a minute. Peace.
Hey, we're back to the channel today with a 14 Mustang GT, and today we're going to be installing the MRT Sport Touring H-Pipe. So one of the benefits of this Sport Touring H-Pipe is the fact that it retains all emissions hardware. It starts after the catalyst, getting you a deeper pitch in tone and a more aggressive exhaust note. Awesome. So before we get started, let's grab a baseline and get the before or after items.
All right, you guys, we just did some real quick flybys and a couple of quick videos real quick. And I'm going to actually link those, we'll put those in here right now. guys, so now we are waiting on them to open up the garage, which they're doing now. And we're gonna pull in and get it done and get the car louder. It sounds way more louder from the outside. Oh, I can't wait to lower that thing.
I mean, this is essentially the section we're going to be swapping. You get a much larger diameter to get a deeper exhaust gun.
Perfect.
And
is that the shit?
304 stainless steel. Are these specific to a side, or are they identical? Whichever side it is.
Resonator and to the back, to the Roush axle back. Should give me that perfect sound that I want. I really don't want it like stupid, dummy loud. I think it's gonna be perfect and crisp. Both on. Quick little bolt on wide pipe coming from the cats, as you can see up there, right there, going straight to the new wide pipe. I'm sorry, the H pipe, and it goes to 3-inch and it goes back down. But I want to see how it sounds and everything. You know, I'm new to all this like V8 stuff, so I'm learning as I go, and we're gonna see what this does. It's all stock going over all stock tubing and coming back to our Roush axle bed. All right, you guys, first start up on that MRT H-pipe with the Roush axle bed. Everything else is stock. It's a lot deeper. Oh yeah, she sounds so good. Coyote singing. Oh, she sounds so good. All right, you guys, we have finished up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but we're about to drive home. I'm about to get back to my family and get some food. And like y'all eating some food right now with y'all family and eating y'all dinner and stuff, I'm about to go home and eat mine and chill with my family because the job is done now. We got our content out, and huge shout out again to MRT. And if you guys like what you hear and like what you have seen today with the installation and all that, how they work with your boy and everything, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to their channel also, which I'll also be in the bio, and also go to their Instagram. It's also Shop MRT, and go get them a follow there and let them know Vaughn sent you, you know. And don't forget, if you like this, go drop, well, if you like this and you got a 5.0 this year or whatever, you got a 5.0, make sure you browse the catalog. And don't forget to use Vaughn Vlogs TV 10 to save some money at checkout. But anyway, guys, that's it for this video. See you guys. Thanks for watching another video of Vaughn Vlogs TV. Don't ever forget, trust God, never lose faith, because He'll never lose faith and trust in you. Peace.